just have to have a Filipina girlfriend.
Yeah, I'm looking
for you to
for.
learn Tagalog.
Yeah,
Looking for?
I'm looking for Filipino girlfriend.
We have a friend single. Yes, still single.
Who?
Yes.
This girl.
This one.
Yeah?
This girl.
Yeah?
This girl, yes.
Very pretty.
Very pretty, and she's also looking for a Korean
Ooh.
boy. She's also looking for a Korean boy,
Ooh.
husband one.
What is your name?
Huh?
What is her name?
Her name is Annabelle.
Oh. How old is she?
She's 26.